What's up guys? Engineer here. Today I am going to show you how to count numbers in long table in Microsoft Excel. I noticed that many people do it by just counting the cells and many times they have to write plus. But today I will show you how to do it like professional. First, what you have to do is format your table and add numbers in it. As you can see, I already did it in off screen, to don't waste your time. In second step, you have to click on a cell that you want format and type equals sum. In our case it is cell named C10. Done. Good job. The last step is really simple. You have to mark the area of cells with numbers in your table. In this example it is area from C2 to C9. Just hold left mouse button and scroll down. And here we go. Our table is finally done. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.